Ladies and gentlemen, one of the biggest lies that man has created, some may confuse it to be money, but it happens to be tomorrow. Because each time you're trying to put off something for tomorrow, you're trying to distance yourself from it. And what it does is, it creates this space in your mind where you feel that what you need to do, they can be space and they can be an opportunity for doing that later on. Whether it be trying to live your life, take a break, have fun, network, grow. The only purpose of life can be joy, growth, and success. And the lie that we have created is that of a tomorrow. Because when tomorrow arrives, it becomes today. So all you have is the here and now, and therefore, very cheesily, often quoted, it is called the present. What are you going to do with that gift? What are you going to do with that gift is truly up to you. But let us take you to another realm. When we talk about Pakistan in totality, let's look at some figures, some numbers, the resilience. And for this, may I now like to invite our next speaker. We've spoken to our worthy speaker from the Lahore Chamber of Commerce. Then, of course, we've been hearing from the Punjab Board of Investment and Trade. Now let's take a drone-eye view of Pakistan as an economic hub. And for this, may I invite Mr. Manzoorul Haq Malik, the Vice President at the FPCCI, the Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sir.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much to invite me. First of all, I welcome to Joseph Makisu, Mr. Iftikhar Ali Malik, Mr. Ijaz, Tahir Malik Sahab, Zahid Anjum, and my President Abdul Basit, and the distinguished guest. Well, thank you very much. It's indeed matter to a great pleasure and privilege for me to join a launching ceremony of CEO Club Worldwide Pakistan chapter at Pearl Continental Lahore. I'm pleased to see the huge gathering of the business community, corporate and elite government representative, people from public and private institutions for the social, economic and development of the country, especially business sector, some of the great people in the world of the business. Many of you know, you are, as well as you know, from the reading all the wonderful business magazines. And firstly, I would like to take opportunity to congratulate Mr. Ijaz, Muhammad Ijaz, Chairperson, CEO, Club Worldwide Pakistan chapter. Sir, Pakistan is rich by all means of resource and also talent and brain who are tendering the services of their organization, but it's the right time them to contribute development and progress of the country. Now it's time for us to forward and present capability and proposals for the resolving the issues, energy crisis and other problems with these countries. So that's why we need to encourage entrepreneurship and youth employment. The second one is highlight the key business strategies and business models. Third one is the opportunity and the issue is specific industrial and entrepreneur sectors. Social corporate responsibility is very important for us to enhance the industry and the loyalty with the peoples of Pakistan. The fourth one is the industrial estates, which we need to be built, and the mostly people are investing in the industry but not capable to invest on the land and the infrastructure. So we need to encourage the people for the industrial estates. I'm sure about it, you should encourage the Pakistani for the better investment and the employment and the education and sports and other festivals. So we warm welcome in FPCCI and warm welcome to Lahore. My forum is available for you to betterment of Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.